Did you know the Minotaur's birth story is way more twisted than you think? Everyone knows Theseus killed the beast, but how it came to exist will shock you. It all started when King Minos made a huge mistake. Poseidon, god of the sea, sent him a beautiful white bull to sacrifice. But Minos loved the bull too much and kept it for himself. Big mistake. Poseidon was furious. His revenge was cruel and strange. He cursed Queen Pasiphae to fall madly in love with the white bull. The result of this unnatural union was the Minotaur. Half man, half bull, and completely monstrous. King Minos was horrified by his stepson. He ordered Daedalus to build an impossible maze called the Labyrinth to hide the creature. Every 7 years, Athens had to send 14 young people as tribute to feed the beast. This continued until Theseus arrived. Princess Ariadne fell in love and gave him thread to navigate the maze. He killed the Minotaur and escaped, but then abandoned Ariadne on an island, breaking her heart forever.